Hey guys, and welcome back to Southern Tiff TV. Today we're doing something completely different. We're trying this new packet that I found at Walmart in the Asian section. There's a bunch of them. So I thought it would be a nice little segment to do, is like a little package kind of thing. So here's what you'll need. Now the box didn't say I needed this, but I just had half a red onion, so I was like, what the hell, might as well just slice it up and throw it in there for extra flavoring. I'm gonna add the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil. It didn't say what kind of oil, it just said 2 tablespoons of oil, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to throw my onions in there as well as the spices and get them going. Alright, now I'm going to add in my cubed chicken breasts. Once the chicken has no more pink on the top of it, I'm going to go ahead and add the sauce packet. And I also added a little bit of water to it because I'm going to put the lid on it and I'm going to steam it for 20 minutes. And I kind of wanted the water to really steam the chicken as well as, you know, get the flavor right into the chicken. I did this off camera, but I added a little bit of minced garlic in there before I covered it. Once you added everything you're going to add, go ahead and mix it all together. Alright, 20 minutes is up, so therefore the chicken should be cooked. Now I'm just going to remove all the bay leaves and the cinnamon bark from the sauce. Now, this rice I have right here is what came with it. There wasn't much to the packet after I cooked it in the microwave. It was really hard. A lot of pieces were stuck together, balled up, and really dried out, so I didn't have enough for a second bowl. So I made basmati rice, which is still an Indian style rice. So it did go along very well with the meal, and I much prefer that a lot better. So you might want to just see how yours come out. If it comes out bad, just go ahead and make your own rice. It's no big deal. And you're done. This is the Indian meal of buttered chicken, complete meal kit. Really not bad. Even with the extra add-ons, I think it added something great to it. I really recommend this. I can't wait to try the rest of them I saw. So this is going to be a really good segment. Remember to subscribe to my channel so that way you never miss videos like these, and I will see you in the next video.